Hello, we are from Smart Team. We'll introduce our idea about smart parking system that we call ESPR. My name is Dian. Here we're about to deliver this idea to reduce spread of corona by contactless process. Also, to save time and effort during parking process. Before we discuss detail about our idea, let us start with main problem that we're trying to solve. First, many drivers spend a lot of time to get a parking spot. Due to coronavirus, we have to keep social distance to reduce the spread. Another problem is a congestion in parking space. Queue to pay a parking ticket. Time they consume to get an empty parking space. That means a lot of time and effort to parking itself. The solution for this problem, here we propose a web application of smart parking system and parking assistant based on multi-criteria decision making. The last is online payment method. The SPR has two ways to use. First, enter the parking as a member. Second, enter parking as a guest if you haven't registered for better parking experience. And this is a little bit demo for ESPR. Value proposition. First, we deliver a COVID zone alert. Second, we provide a multi-platform application. And then, a parking guidance to reduce time to find an empty parking space. A contactless payment and process. The last is IoT parking to get parking information and keep your spot using a portable portal.
Action plan. An action plan is a list of steps or plan taken in order to achieve a specific goal, in our case our product. The steps taken in order to accomplish our goal is first, observe current parking system in the supermarket and university. Then, develop a system prototype of our product by using and applying an electro tree method to reduce parking time. Followed by showcase the system to target market, and lastly, to request fund to be implemented in real world. Market size. There are 2.6 million of working age population in Malaysia. An average of 550,000 of them owns a vehicle registered in Malaysia, with the availability of parking lots of 350 in supermarket. Customer segmentation. As for customer job, there are two group base, which is the user who find parking in malls and also ticket operator who provide tickets services in malls. Moreover, Customer pains or the challenges they face are such as locating parking spots, safety during COVID-19, long queue for payment, congestion at parking bays, keeping records of users' reservation, providing a safe environment during COVID-19. Furthermore, the benefit the user able to gain through the product are such as QR scan to enter parking area, navigation assistance to parking spots, online payment method, tidy parking process, and paperless record of transaction. More importantly, the customer able to gain is practice contactless transaction during COVID-19.
Expected return. For one parking area, it is 1 ringgit per hour with 70 to 100% capacity with 24/7 services. The cost per month can go up to 176,000 to 252,000. The minimum profit is estimated to be 96,000 or 1.15 million per year. Distribution channels. The process of making our product or services available to consumers. We're going to be trying 5 different types of channels. Digital advertisements, social media such as Instagram, Facebook, or even Twitter, content marketing, and also App Store, since we'll be introducing a mobile application. In terms of offline base, we can try advertisement in malls. Since we're trying to introduce the system to parking areas in supermarket, it can be a good exposure to consumers. Target market. We have chosen 3 target market here, which is a school or university, supermarkets, and airports. The reason these are chosen because these places are usually visited often and can cause congestion due to overload parking. Partners. Partnerships is important to make a product or a service to happen. In this case, we have identified 2 segments, key partners and non-key partners. In terms of key partners, they are more on the financial side. So our case, we have decided to have the parking operators and the investors. As for non-key partners, they are more on developing our application and our system. So they are the developers, cloud storage, maps, and also payment platforms. Competitive analysis. In this area, we try to find out the competitors that are out there in the market to assess their strengths and weaknesses. So in our case, we have identified 2 types of application, Jom Parking and Park Easy application. So what makes our application better? So in terms of our features that we're trying to introduce, the parking guidance, reservation, cashless payment, IoT parking system, and our main highlight would be the COVID alert zone in our applications. Go-to-market strategy. This is the journey of our product before it hits the market. So we start by identifying our target audience. In this case, the users who use our application, ticket operators or management who try to buy our services. Then we move on to partnerships. Partnerships are in terms of financial aid in making our system happen, or also in the person responsible in developing our system. Then we move on to advertising for the consumers to know about our application. So we try by going through app stores, social media, digital advertisement, or manual advertisement that are available in malls. Then we move to marketing. So we can try by pre-launching it to the press, partnerships, first-time login benefits through our mobile application, then collecting reviews and ratings to understand our customer, and also to how to improve our system. Then lastly, we try by doing hard launch, which is pushing our product fully into the market.